Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by meeting the prerequisites and immediately entering the farming loop. Make sure your character level and gear meet the raid minimum, otherwise drops will be negligible. Once ready, use your entry items and start the first raid attempt without delay. You should prioritize squad runs if drop bonuses exist, because coordinated teams clear faster and increase odds. While running, focus on the boss mechanics that prevent wipes. Mastering those increases your effective tickets per hour. Once you can consistently clear the boss, optimize how you farm the verse pieces. You must exploit boss vulnerabilities and rotate phases to shave off time. Faster kills equal more attempts and more ticket pieces. Make sure to activate any consumables or event buffs that increase drop chance, and coordinate role swaps so someone focuses on pull and stagger mechanics. Also monitor the raid reset and event windows so you don't waste attempts on low-yield periods. Timing directly affects. You now convert those verse pieces into the raid boss ticket and finish the process. Go to the designated NPC or exchange menu, select the recipe, and craft the ticket before any event cap expires. Make sure your inventory has space and you haven't hit any per-account exchange limits, otherwise the craft will fail. If pieces are missing, run targeted boss phases or use approved trades to fill gaps. Troubleshooting tip: if crafting fails, relog and verify you have the exact required items and no active cooldowns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.